How to upgrade or buy Telegram's premium subscription. In order to upgrade or buy Telegram's subscription, what you have to do is just launch the Telegram application on your device. Once you've done that, tap on the three lines icon located from the top left of the screen, and from here you can simply go to the option called Settings. Under Settings, you'll find various options. If you scroll down, you'll find this option called Telegram Premium. So tap on the Premium option. You can choose whether you want an annual subscription or monthly subscription. If you take monthly, you'll be charged $5 a month. If you pay for the whole year, you'll get a certain percent discount, which will only be $3 a month for you. So if you multiply and do the math, you'll get certain amount off whenever you're charged $5 versus $3 a month. So if this is convenient for you, scroll down and tap on the subscribe button from the very bottom of the screen. Enter your card details. If you're using on iPhone, you'll find your Google Play card details. On Android, you'll find Google Play. On an iPhone, you'll find the App Store details, and you can tap the subscribe button after you make sure to enter your respective payment method. That way you'll be able to get access to benefits of Telegram Premium. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.